Morning student, today we will study our class 3rd subject SST. Your book name is Our Society and Culture. Now will we start chapter 1. Chapter 1 title is The Earth Our Home. You know that all of us live on the earth. Our houses, schools, playgrounds and roads etc. are built on land. The earth is very big. Millions of people live on it along with man. There live many kinds of animal, birds, insects, fish and plants on the earth. Many rivers, ponds, lakes and seas are also on the earth. All of these have water. This is figure. The earth is the home of all living beings. The earth is divided into land and water. The air around the earth is called its atmosphere. The earth is the only planet on which life is possible. About 3/4 of the earth is covered by water and 1/4 is land. Living things need both water and air to live. They cannot live without air. Shape of the earth. What shape does the earth look to you? The earth is round in shape like a ball. However, it is not perfectly round. It is slightly flat at the top and at the bottom. These flat areas are called the poles. The earth has two poles, the north pole and the south pole. The top flat point is known as north pole. The bottom flat point is the south pole. An imaginary line called the equator divide the earth into two equal parts. Hundreds of years ago, people did not know much about the earth. They believed that the earth was flat and it had edges. They were afraid of going too far to its edge, fearing that they would fall off. About 1500 years ago, a Portuguese sailor named Ferdinand Magellan started a long journey from Spain with other sailors. He kept on sailing in the same direction. After a period of 3 years, they reached at the same a place from where they had started the journey. It proved that the earth round like a ball and not flat as we see only a very small part of its surface. This is map. In recent years, man has made artificial satellites and spacecraft and taken photographs of the earth from the outer space. Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin landed on the moon on July 20. They took many photographs of the earth from the moon. All these Photographs also show that the earth is round. The earth is like a bright blue ball. The blue color is water and 3/4 is made up of water. Horizon. If we look out from the top of a high building or look round standing on the roof top, it appears the land and the sky seem to meet at a place. The place where the land and the sky are meeting at a distance is called horizon. Actually, the land and the sky never meet. It appears so due to the earth's size, coast. If we stand on the coast facing the sea, it appears that the sea's water and the sky meet at a distance, but this is not true. The place where the land and the sea water meet at a place is called the coast. They never meet. The surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. It has plains, mountains, hills, valleys, forests, deserts, rivers, lakes, waterfalls, seas, and oceans. Complete your lesson. Your homework is read lesson 1.